श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhama Skandham, Suta Maharshi is saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, Parikshittu asking for water. But Semika Muni did not respond to Parikshittu because that Muni is not at all in the external world. He is completely drowned in his meditation. Because of that Muni did not see Parikshittu, that Muni did not hear Parikshittu's words. That is why that Muni did not offer any Simhasanam Asanam to Parikshit Narendra. That is why that Muni did not even ask, "O Raja, how are you?" That is why because of his meditation, that Muni did not even welcome that King Parikshit Narendra. Because of his meditation, that Muni did not offer any water and any kind of services to Raja. Because that Muni did not do any kind of services like this, King got so much anger. Parikshittu got an amount of anger which he did never got in his previous life. He started thinking that Kannulu Moosi Brahmanudu Garvamutodu Tanunnavadu Che Sannalanaina Rammanadu Sarajalam Bulute Chipoyadu. He is not even asking me how are you doing. He is not even offering me any water. That is so much big insult to me. This Muni did insulted me. With that kind of anger, that Parikshit Narendra immediately felt doing some kind of retaliation upon Muni, and that Parikshit Narendra picked up a dead serpent with his own bow, with the tip end of bow. He picked up that dead serpent and put that serpent on this Brahmarshi, and he left. Again, this Parikshit Narendra started thinking that Esha Kim Nibhruta Asesha. Is it real that this Muni is in his meditation, or he is just pretending? Esha Kim Milita Ikshanaha Mrusha. Is it real that this Muni is closing his eyes or just pretending? Is it something that Muni probably thinking, what these kings can do to us with that kind of negligence? Is that the reason this Muni neglected me, insulted me? Having all this kind of questions in Parikshit Narendra put this serpent on that Brahmarshi to understand whether he is pretending or it is real samadhi that Muni is in. He just put that serpent and left from there. But this Muni did not get moved at all even after that serpent thing is left on him. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.